What's going on, everybody? My name is Angel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Vegas Pro 15 for only $25. Now, before I get into the details, I'm going to be going to the Wikipedia page. On May 24th, 2016, Sony announced that it has sold Vegas and most of its creative software line to Magic, who will continue supporting and developing the software. So if I say anything between Sony Vegas or Vegas, what I mean is the same thing. What I'm trying to find is the same product. So let's just get into the website that I'm going to show you. The website I'm going to show you is Humble Bundle. Humble Bundle is a great website where it also sells software and video games. So what you want to do is go to the 7 bundles. First I'm going to alt tab. Oops. Alt tab. Humble Bundle. You want to go to the 7 bundles, and then you want to go to the Creative Freedom. Now this offer is only going to be available until June 3rd of 2019. So as of right now, there are 19 days left for this deal. Now, in order to get the Vegas Pro 15 edition, you need to pay the minimum of $25. In my opinion, I believe that's a good deal because as of right now, I have Sony Vegas 12, which is a couple versions old, and I know as of right now, the newest version is Sony Vegas 16. No, sorry, not Sony Vegas. Vegas Pro 16. See what I mean? What I say about that? Vegas Pro 16. But if you want to pay for Vegas Pro 16, it's gonna cost you about $300. So I'd rather pay $25 to get an older version, 1 year, a previous version, but it's still gonna be an upgrade for myself. So if you want to pay, so I want to buy Vegas Pro 15. So what you want to do, and if you want to buy it, you want to scroll down, and you one thing I like about Humble Bundle is that you have a choice between what charity you want to pick from. So I'm gonna choose the Child's Play, as I selected. There we go. And then you want to scroll down, and then when you get to this page right here, you want to make sure you have it on the $25 minimum. If not, you won't be able to get the Sony Vegas Vegas Pro 15. It'll always be Sony Vegas to me. Then you want to scroll down. You can choose where your money goes to between either the company Magic, Charities, and Humble. So I'm gonna have it all equal. I'm gonna be blocking my email just to protect my privacy. And then you have 3 choices to pay. You can either pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or some other some other payment I'm not sure of. Now you're probably saying, hey, you could probably get the software through another site, but I rather support the creators of the software itself and support Humble Bundle and also possibly support a charity. And if you don't want to go through this route, then you probably shouldn't be watching this video. Alright, we are back. So after you have completed your order, it's going to say thank you for purchasing the Humble Software Rebundle Vegas Pro Even More Creative Freedom. Your content was sent to this email. You have 2 options, either to get your software or continue shopping. Of course, you want to choose get your software. And then it says thanks for purchasing the Humble Software Rebundle Vegas Pro Even More Creative Freedom. This page is claimed by you. You want to scroll down, and then there's going to be different types of software that you got. There's going to be the Fast Cut Plus edition, the voucher code for the Producer Planet, so on, so on and so on. But the reason I wanted this bundle was because of the Vegas Pro 15 edition, also Vegas Pro Movie Studio 15. That also helps as well. So what you want to do is click on reveal your magic key, and before you do that, you want to go to can't talk right now. Redemption instructions. So you want to click that first, and then what you want to do is download and install Vegas Pro 15 Edit from your bundle page. Is going to be down here, and it's going to be Vegas Pro 15 Edit. You want to click on download. Now that you have finished one of your downloads, which in this case is going to be Vegas Pro, you want to choose your language, and my language is going to be English. You want to agree to the user end terms. You want to change the file location if that's what you want to change, but in this case this is right for me. After your download has been finished, Vegas Pro 15 has been successfully installed. Should come up on your screen. You want to click on finish. Now your other downloads will also download also, which came with the bundle itself. Go to your search bar and type in Vegas Pro 15. Now this is where you activate with either the serial number, purchase online, or start a trial version. Now we got our serial number from our Humble Bundle redemption code, or our magic key, and that's going to be on Vegas Pro 15 Edit. So what you want to do is click to reveal your magic code. Once you have copied and pasted your serial number for your product code and have added your personal email to register the software under your name, you want to click on activate and register immediately online. You create a magic login, or if you already have one, choose I already have a magic login. After you create your magic account, you should have opened up your Vegas Pro software 15, and you are ready to edit any type of video you want. This looks like a huge improvement compared to Vegas Pro 12 from videos I have seen. But other than that, that was my little tutorial slash follow along video for this Humble Bundle offer that will only be available until as of June 3rd, so 19 days from now. 19 days from now is June 3rd. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a dislike. Give me some constructive criticism on how I could have better improved this video. But other than that, that was just my little deal I wanted to show anyone who wanted to improve their software that they currently have. But other than that, have a good day.